So wala namang loss of confidence on
No,
your part,
he
John?
did such a, ang galing na pulis.
Pinuri nyo pa sa SONA.
Ang galing na pulis, ang galing na
Yes.
pulis. Talaga, so don't worry. Ako, pag kami nakilala ko na marunong na ganyan, it just has to find his niche kung ano ba talaga yung well, his specialty niya is police work. And so we'll find a way to avail of his talents.
So it's not because may gusto siyang ipasok. I think I heard the
Yeah,
General Medina, he wanted to bring back General Medina to the PNP, whereas dati nang natanggal itong si General Medina dahil
No,
nga
there was
sa
nothing.
involvement sa illegal drugs.
Walang ganon. There was nothing
Walang
like that.
ganon. Okay. Do we have a position in mind already for Nick Torre?
Let me tell him first before I tell you.
Clue!
Ikaw talaga, you and your clues.
Dito ba? Kasama ba sa mga independent body? Or
Ewan ko.
sige. Okay.
Man, ang susunod na kabanata.
Ay, hirap naman. Walang two initials.
I'm making you work for your living.